There's a saying in Alaska that women go to Alaska to become the men that they want to marry. And I joke that, that's part of my empowerment of being here, is being someone that's never really learned how to use power tools. I wanted to know how to do that myself. And Alaska has such a culture of homesteading, living off the land, sustainability, and it kind of really ties in with the ethos of wild abundance. My name is Maggie. I come all the way from Alaska for the tiny house building class. I got to stay in this structure, be one of the first people to stay on the structure, and it has this amazing skylight up above. So that was really fun to just live so close to the land. There's a stream behind it, and the group of people that were in my class, they were such amazing people. Our instructors were awesome, and to have the environment to learn slowly, but also hands-on experience and repeated hands-on experience, so that we could learn something and then get better at it and improve on it. And just everyone being so encouraging and knowing that I sucked at doing a toe screw. And then they were like, no, you need to do it repeatedly. And then when I finally get it, and there's a group cheer, right? So it just is such an amazing environment to learn in. And then to walk away with those skills in my pocket, and also just to have a network of people to ask questions to when I want to.